G'day YouTubers and g'day to my subscribers and viewers. So today is a lovely day. I'm heading off early to Jenolan Caves. It's about a 3-hour drive from my place. Haven't been for a while. One of my favourite places on earth. Absolutely stunning, fantastic. So I'm going there first. It should be good. It's a weekday, so there shouldn't be many people there, hopefully. I don't think there's any rain, if anything. It snows up there a lot. And it's like another world. So when you get down, you go down this thing called the 5 Milers Road, and it's a lot of zigzags and very narrow, but I know I'll back the front. Almost did a few wombats and wallabies and things and there before. So my brother hit a wombat once. He used to work there as a ranger, and it wiped out the hole underneath of his car. So going there, I might only have time for one cave. I've been through them all several times, but they've changed a lot of things. They've added some more caves and things. There's a river cave. I love that one down the Grand River. I want to have a look at the Blue Lake again, walk around that down to the dam. It was the first hydro scheme or first power electricity in Australia. It was generated from there. They just powered up the lights in the caves to start with. You can still see where the old wiring and things were. It came off a little dam they built there. A lot of traffic up here. There's been an accident I heard, so I'm on the freeways. I might slow me down a bit. So I'm going there first, then I'm going to go to Canangra Walls. Haven't been there for ages. Haven't been able to drive there in my other Mercs because of the dirt road. It's pretty rough. There's a lot of kangaroos there, but these walls are absolutely stunning, these sheer cliffs. So I'm going to put my drone up there. I'll probably put it up at Jenolan as well. But I can't find my other few batteries for this particular drone. I only find one, but I think it's all charged up, so hopefully it'll be alright. Shit, car just stopped me. The car suddenly stopped in front. Anyway, all the safety features, they look after me in this car, which is great. Anyway guys, come along. Let's have a great time. Talk to you again soon, so roll the intro. 'Cause we are one.